Hello and welcome back to Tech It Simple. Today I'm going to help you to learn how to log into MyFitnessPal. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel. If you haven't yet, and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Go to your application list and tap open MyFitnessPal. If you are not registered yet for MyFitnessPal, go ahead and hit that sign up button and register yourself. First, to log in, simply tap on Login, and on the next page enter your email address on the next field. Enter your password. In case you forgot the password, tap on Forget a Password. And reset to a new password. You can even continue logging in with your Facebook. Simply tap on Continue with Facebook, and enter your Facebook information details. And log into MyFitnessPal with your Facebook account easily. After entering the credentials, tap on the Login button. Wait for a few moments, and you will be logged into MyFitnessPal account in no time. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.